Hi, I'm Jiang Zuo. My career goal is to work in industry-facing quantitative finance roles, particularly areas where quantitative analysis directly supports investment decisions, risk management, and forecasting. I'm most interested in roles that sit at the intersection of data, economics, and business judgment, where quantitative models are used to reduce uncertainty and guide real-world decisions. What draws me to this type of quantitative finance is its practical orientation. I enjoy working with real data, imperfect assumptions, and time-sensitive constraints, and using quantitative tools to extract insights that are clear, interpretable, and actionable. Over time, I found that this applied environment fits both my skills and my mindset. This goal suits me well because of my academic training and professional experience, which consistently emphasize applied quantitative thinking. Academically, I completed a double major in economics and mathematics, which gave me a strong foundation in probability, statistics, econometrics, and financial economics. Courses such as applied econometrics, international finance, and managed banking trained me to analyze markets using both mathematical rigor and economic intuition. Rather than focusing only on abstract theory, I was especially interested in how models behave when applied to real data sets, where noise, bias, and data limitations are unavoidable. I also conducted applied quantitative research using methods such as volatility modeling, machine learning algorithms, and sentiment analysis. These projects taught me that even advanced models create value only when they are stable, interpretable, and relevant to decision making. This reinforced my interest in quantitative finance that emphasizes application over abstraction. My professional experience further clarified this direction. During my internship at securities, I worked on fixed income analysis and supported the due diligence process for covered bond issuance. I analyzed issuers' capital structures and careful statement to assess repayment capacity and refinancing risk. This experience showed me how quantitative indicators such as leverage ratios, interest coverage, and maturity structures translate directly into real investment decisions. I found this type of work highly engaging because analysis had clear consequences. At NY Securities, I worked on evaluating mutual funds and ETFs by building standardized comparison frameworks. I structured performance metrics, volatility, drawdowns, and liquidity indicators into scorecards that help advisors compare products more efficiently and consistently. This role highlighted how quantitative finance often requires balancing statistical rigor with clarity and usability, ensuring that insights can be understood and applied by decision makers. Another important experience was my role at Capgemini, where I worked on a self-forecasting project for an automotive client. Although the context was not traditional finance, the quantitative logic was very similar. I helped screen and restructure dozens of input variables, remove the features with low informational value, and translated ambiguous business descriptions into quantifiable model inputs. This strengthened my ability to think critically about data quality, feature relevance, and model robustness, skills that are equally important in quantitative finance. Across this experience, I consistently found that I'm most effective when working at the intersection of quantitative analysis and business context. I enjoy collaborating with teams, communicating analytical results clearly, and ensuring that models support practical decisions rather than existing in isolation. In summary, my career goal is to build a long-term career in applied quantitative finance, focusing on roles where data-driven analysis informs real investment and risk decisions. This goal suits me because my background, skills, and interests are aligned with using quantitative methods to create practical value in real-world financial environment.